So this is a great way to start your day, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I will be doing something a little different. I will be making smoothie. So get out your blenders and let's get started. So here I have 1.5 cups freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 mango, and 1 banana. So I will go ahead and pour my orange juice in the blender. Wash and peel your mango. So add to your orange juice 1 cup mango and 1 banana. Then blend. Wow, now it's all done. Now I will pour myself a glass of smoothie. So this is a great way to start your day, guys. So let me know if you love my smoothie by leaving a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.